Not all engines are built to last. Some are notorious for breaking down before they even hit 39,000 miles. Today, we're exposing the worst offenders, the 11 least reliable car engines that die before 35,000 miles, turning dream cars into pits. If you value long-term reliability, this is the list you can't afford to miss. Let's get into it. Number 1. BMW N63 V8 engine, 2008 to 2012. The BMW N63 V8 engine is all about power. It cranks out 408 horsepower and 440 foot-pounds of torque, and you'll find it in models like the BMW 550i, X5, X6, 750i, and 650i. It's fast, responsive, and impressive, but its reliability, not so much. Early versions had a laundry list of problems: high oil consumption, turbo failures, valve stem seal leaks. These were just the start. Over time, issues like coolant leaks, carbon buildup, timing chain wear, and injector failures became common. It's not uncommon for owners to spend between $5,000 and $10,000 annually on repairs and maintenance, especially as the vehicle ages. Then there's the turbocharger placement. Number 2. Isuzu 3.0 V6 D-Max. The 3.0-liter V6 Isuzu engine, commonly used in various Renault models, is a fast lane to financial bankruptcy. This engine comes with serious flaws: poor quality cabling, leading to constant electrical problems, unreliable and costly Denso injectors, cooling system that clogs easily. When that happens, the engine overheats and you end up with major damage. Addressing cooling system blockages. Despite performing well in Opel models, this engine often fails to reach 35,000 miles in Renault and Saab vehicles due to costly breakdowns. Number 3. Toyota 2.2 D-Cat. The Toyota 2.2 D-Cat engine, made between 2005 and 2015, was Toyota's bold attempt to introduce a powerful diesel option. With 177 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque, but on the road, it becomes a problem for many owners. The most glaring issue is its severe fumigation problem. It produces so much smoke that the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, clogs up quickly. Replacing a clogged DPF can cost between $1,500 and $2,500. Number 4. Subaru 2.0D, 2008 to 2020. Subaru is one of the few manufacturers that started producing diesel engines late in their timeline. Subaru stuck with their signature boxer engine layout. It gives the 2.0-liter diesel a unique feel and decent performance, but it's more rev-hungry than most diesels. That's where the problems start. The injectors don't last long. The engine builds up too much oil soot. The diesel particulate filter also needs extra care. Replacing a single diesel fuel injector can cost anywhere from $300 to $1,100. Number 5. Cadillac Northstar 5.8 engine. This engine from the 2000s is well known for its head gasket issues and complicated design. The aluminum threads in the engine block are a big issue. They strip easily, leading to blown head gaskets. Even a little extra stress can cause major failures and leave you with expensive repair bills. Imagine this cost and effort involved. They cost between $2,400 and $4,500. Some mechanics may suggest replacing the entire engine, which can range from $6,000 to $7,000. The transverse position of the engine doesn't help either. Number 6. Mazda 1.3 Renesis 2004 to 2012. The Mazda 1.3 Renesis engine, found in the RX-8, is a bold showcase of Mazda's rotary engine expertise. It packs impressive power for its size, matching much larger engines. Mazda praises its rotary design for having fewer moving parts, less friction, and more power. But in reality, the Renesis guzzles fuel and oil like an old two-stroke engine. Over time, its apex seals, a key part, will wear out. This time, you're already hit with a $1,500 to $2,000 bill for replacement or face a big power loss. Even with proper care, this engine doesn't make it past 39,000 miles. Other than being unique and charismatic, the Renesis brings more trouble than it is worth. Number 7. The BMW N47 diesel engine. The BMW N47 diesel engine, used in models from 2007 to 2012, delivers great performance and strong torque at low revs. On paper, it sounds like a solid engine, but in reality, it's known for one major flaw: timing chain failures. When it fails, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage, often requiring a full rebuild costing upwards of $5,000. BMW did issue a recall and improve the design after 2013, but earlier models still carry the risk. This engine doesn't stop at one problem. Oil leaks and gasket failures are all too common. That'll set you back a hefty $1,000, because nothing about a BMW repair comes cheap. Number 8. Audi 2.5-liter V6 TDI engine, 1997 to 2005. One major issue with the Audi 2.5-liter V6 TDI engine, used in older Audi and Volkswagen models, is the design of the cylinder head. This flaw causes the camshafts to wear out far too quickly. The problem is often linked to extended oil change intervals. Neglecting this maintenance can lead to significant damage and hefty repair bills. Replacing the camshaft costs between $2,000 and $3,000, with parts ranging from $45 to $800 and labor accounting for the remainder. A very decent performance of N47, but its reliability heavily depends on strict upkeep. Number 9. Toyota 4 GRFS EV6 engine. The Lexus IS250's 4 GRFS-E engine is a cautionary tale for drivers expecting bulletproof reliability. Known for Toyota's solid reputation, this engine, unfortunately, has some serious flaws. Here's why it's made the least reliable car engines. Carbon buildup on the intake valves reduces power and throttle response. The weak timing chain tensioner causes clatter. Clogged injectors disrupt idling. Number 10. Mini Prince engine. There have been quite a few reports of the Mini Cooper S with the N14 engine suffering a failure of the timing chain tensioner. When the chain stretches, you'll hear a loud rattle at idle, and the engine may run unevenly, making the ride far from smooth. Then there's the gearbox, which can develop issues due to a corroded selector shaft. Mechanics won't just fix it. Number 11. Renault 2.2 DCi, 1999 to 2009. This engine offers good power and fuel economy. Its reliability turns out to be a big disappointment. One of the biggest problems is a weak head gasket, which could lead to overheating. Repairing this issue is labor-intensive and costly, with estimates ranging from $600 to over $2,000. The fuel injectors could be better. They are sensitive to fuel quality